Well, welcome back, and I hope everybody is finally recovered from their Thanksgiving overdose of tryptophan and God knows what else. We just got back from Walt Disney, so I'm a little bragged out myself. All right, here's what we're going to do today. Told you we were going to readdress this area here where I've already got some issues with some damage that I did myself with pushing some things around. But we've got that trunk there that's going to be the garage for the flying sub. We're going to need to overlay it, obviously, to hide all my mistakes there from the beta build. But we also need to make these doors more or an easier option to build and still make them operational. Now, also, we've got our mana fins and the trailing pieces that go underneath to, make the shape of the front of the sub. We need to put those on, but I think we should laminate this to the bottom even before we put on the nose pieces here and then put those on. And the reason I'm saying that is that even in the kit, I've decided I'm going to release a version of this that doesn't have the trunk, a version of this that when you do build the trunk, you've got a forming piece that is going to be that first piece that I've got in there that was messed up to start with. But you won't be doing that. You'll have a solid piece in there that's nice and clean. And then this piece that profiles the same will laminate onto it, and these doors are going to slide in and out of a cavity that you're going to leave behind, and I'm going to put some little railings in here. All that will be included in the kit. Just watch me and see what you think. If anybody thinks there's an easier way to do this, I'm willing to listen to that, but we need to get this out of the way and get those fins on there and finish the back of this boat so we can say goodbye to this build, and everybody else can start building if they feel like it from the kit we'll provide you. All right. Well, listen, we appreciate you watching us. We really do. It's been interesting to see the pickup in interest. Hey, any interest. All right. Again, like, share, subscribe. We need the numbers. I mean, it's a numbers game, I guess. I'm just building, though. I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I hope you are too. Again, like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you like, and look at some of our past videos if you also are so inclined. Here we go. All right, folks, we've got the bottom piece made here now. And as you can see, we've actually got operational doors that'll slide through these little grooves. What we'll do next week is we'll go on and laminate this onto the bottom there. We'll cut it to size, laminate it on, and then we'll put our fairings on and our nose piece, and we're done. We'll do the back. We'll camouflage all the little warts and all the seams, and then we'll have a complete model for everybody to enjoy. Well, I hope everybody has enjoyed this. When this dries, this will be a little more stable there too. As you can see, I made a few mistakes as I was going along. Again, this was a beat to fit build part right here, because these parts will be included in the instructions, and also the parts themselves will be in the kit, and we'll include instructions for them. And again, we hope that you enjoyed the build. We look forward to seeing you again next week, and I'm sure you'll all be glad to see the nose of this thing finally finished. And a lot of detailing, but we should be able to get this banged out pretty quick. One other housekeeping note, we're looking at different projects for the next project. Not trying to get too far down the road, but I've had a lot of interest in the Chariot from Lost in Space. I've got some build pictures out there from a beta that I did. I'm thinking we might jump into that, or maybe build something from my catalog that a lot of you guys know about. Send me some comments on that. We're not cast in stone on what we're doing next, so we'd be interested in hearing from you. Again, like, share, subscribe, and we really enjoy doing this, and we hope you're enjoying watching us do it. Keep the faith. Duke out.